we'll guide you through how to simulate Blender physics effectively using the latest methods and UI elements. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Blender and start a new project. Make sure to have your object selected, then go to the Properties panel on the right-hand side. Click on the Physics tab, which looks like a bouncing ball icon. Here, you have several options for physics simulations like cloth, fluid, smoke, and rigid body. Let's focus on creating a simple rigid body simulation. With your object selected, click on Rigid Body. This will add physics properties to your object. Now, you'll see a few options appear such as Type, Mass, and Collision. Set the type to Active if you want the object to be dynamic and affected by gravity or other forces. Set it to Passive if you want it to stay still but interact with other objects. Adjust the mass to determine how heavy your object is, which will affect how it interacts with other objects. Make sure to go to the collision settings to ensure your object behaves as expected during the simulation. You can choose different collision shapes like box or sphere, depending on the shape of your object for more accurate results. Once your settings are configured, you can go to the timeline at the bottom of the screen and press Play to see your simulation in action. The object should now respond to the physics settings you've applied. If needed, you can tweak the settings further to get the desired effect. Don't forget to experiment with different physics simulations available in Blender to add more complexity and realism to your projects. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.